Did you know you can do simple arithmetic in Photoshop? You might call it mathematics. I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division inside of Photoshop. Let me show you how to do that. This is important for people who create designs for things that require a certain unit of measurement or a certain aspect ratio. For instance, if you're creating a banner design, let's take a 2x3 banner for instance. It's 2 feet by 3 feet and 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Let's create a document for that. So we'll go to new file and then I'll change the unit of measurement to inches. So just click pixels, go to inches. Now, since 2 feet is now 24 inches, we add 24, we impute 24 right there, and here should be 3 feet should now be 36 inches. Now let's start the simple arithmetic. I'll start with multiplication. If I want to multiply this by 2, let's say I changed my mind and I wanted to make it a 4 feet, I'll just add asterisk and then add 2, so it's now 24 multiplied by 2, and then just click somewhere else and it gives you 48. I'll do the same thing for here. You add asterisk and you add 2 and it gives you the answer. So it's now 4 feet by 6 feet in inches. Let's say I want to divide this by 2. Let's say I want to take it back to 2 by 3. I'll go to my units and add forward slash and 2. So it's now 48 divided by 2. Just click somewhere else. It's going to divide that by 2. Let's do the same thing here. You add forward slash and you add 2 and it's going to do that for you. As simple as that. Now the addition and subtraction is very simple. I just showed you the multiplication and the division. So let's say we want to add a few inches to our width. I want to add 6 inches to make it 30 inches. Just add plus 6. Click somewhere else. It gives you the answer 30. Let's add plus 4 here to make it 40. Yeah, we now have 30 by 40. You see, it's very simple. So let's say you created that document and somehow it's quite too big, because there are devices you'd use, and if you're using a very high document size, it's going to lag somehow. So what we are going to do is to slash this down. We go to image and then image size, come down here, let's divide this by 2. So you add your forward slash divided by 2. Now you see that the change affected the height as well because it was linked. So if I unlink it, you will now see that it won't affect the height. So for the fact that it's linked, now I've unlinked it. For the fact that it's linked, any change you make to the width will also reflect on the height. So let's divide that by 2 and gives us 15 inches by 20 inches. So you can do whatever. Let's add 5 to this. You can now see. So it's a simple thing and you click OK. So that's how you manipulate your aspect ratio or your measurements in Photoshop. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.